friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the Zodiac makeup challenge. I'm going to be reading about my Zodiac sign and see the colors that are associated with it. I kind of have an idea already just because of the sign it is. It's a fire sign. So I don't know if any of you guys know, but I am a Leo. My sun sign is a Leo. I actually have a tattoo of the Leo symbol. I know quite a bit about it, so I'm just going to read it to you guys anyways, just so you guys have some insight on what a Leo is and what they're supposed to represent. Okay, so I'm on cafeastrology.com, and as I said before, Leo is a fire sign. So the website says that Leos can pull off bright, bold colors such as orange, yellows, reds. It says that we're very energetic, ambitious. It says that Leo is ruled by the sun. Let's see, it says the Leo wardrobe. It says that Leos have bright, warm personalities. They like to wear warm colors. It says that combining these colors creates a positive effect on Leos. It says that we like eye-catching colors and attention-drawing colors. That Leo females should wear bright yellow clothes and finish it up with wearing a red lipstick. So the fact that it mentioned lipstick, maybe we will do a red lip today. Okay, so we know orange, yellow, and red, and I think I read gold too, and red lipstick. For the eyebrows, since the Leo is represented by the lion, I think a more brushed out, feathery type of brow would look good with this, just because when I think of a lion, I think of fur, and then fluffy brows, fur, you know. So we're gonna try to do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb my eyebrows up first. I'm gonna take the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso and just draw up strokes in my brows to make them more feathery looking. Okay, I'm back, and I think I changed my mind with not concealing the top of my eyebrows. I'm still going to, only because it's making my eyebrows look a little too bushy. Okay, now that we have both eyebrows done, I'm going to go in with primer and prime my eyelids, and then we'll jump right into eyeshadow. Okay, so I prime my face with the e.l.f. Mineral Face Primer. Even though it says face primer, I prime my eyes. Okay, so since it said yellows and oranges and reds, I'm going to do a yellow and orange look on the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to jump in with the orange shade in Androgyny palette, and it's called Charm. And then we're gonna pack that on. Whoa! We're gonna put that on and blend up through the crease. You want to bring it up as far as you can, because like the website said, Leos are very bold. So we want a bold look, right? So I'm gonna go in with 518 in the James Charles and Morphe palette, and then I'm just gonna blend that in with the Jeffree orange. Now that we just did that, we are going to cut the crease. So you want to take a flat brush. I use the brush that I used to cut out my brows with the concealer, and you're just going to take whatever concealer you want. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer in shade 19, and we're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna go in that yellow shade, which is called B. I almost missed the pan. Now that we have the yellow in the cut crease area, I'm gonna go back in with the 518 shade from the James Charles palette and put that back right here where I was making it out. I'm gonna take it and then we're just gonna fan that back into the wing and blend it in with that yellow right there. Onto the other eye. Now that we finished that, I'm gonna go in with Code James right here, which is a dark orange, and I'm gonna put that on the outer part of our wing. Okay, now that I just did the cleaning of the edges, we are going to go in with eyeliner. I think I'm going to attempt the fox eye look in this video. If all goes wrong, I'm gonna fix it, but it's worth a shot, so let's try. I don't know, it kind of looks weird. Let me try the other eye, and let me see how it looks. Let me know if I did alright. I think I did, but I don't know, I've just never seen myself like this before, so I think that's what's making it a little odd for me. So to keep this fox eye look going, I'm going to put black on my waterline, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I'm going to go underneath on my bottom eyelids and put yellow to orange. So let's dive in. I'm gonna quick do mascara and then I'm gonna jump into the face makeup. So, be right back. I guess we're gonna go in with that red liquid lipstick, and I think I'm gonna go in with Unicorn Blood. So I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Unicorn Blood. I'm gonna outline my lips and then fill it in with the liquid lipstick. So I applied the Unicorn Blood, and I don't know if it's the first color I would have chosen for this look, but we had to incorporate the red somehow. So yeah, this is the Unicorn Blood shade, and we're gonna apply lashes and pull this whole look together. Alright, so that completes this Zodiac makeup look challenge. So if you guys would want to see any more Zodiac sign looks, just let me know in the comments, and if you like this look, leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!